Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Remitly account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your credit card to your Remitly account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your credit card to Remitly anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your international contractors request that you send the money through Remitly, and Remitly does accept credit cards, Visa, MasterCard. They don't take Amex, at least not at the time of the recording of this video. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Remitly dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Remitly account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your credit card as a payment method, here on the top right, you're going to click on your name. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on settings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see another menu here on the left, and to add your credit card, you're going to click here, payment methods. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the payment methods you have set up with Remitly. However, to link your credit card, click here, add payment method. All right, once you do that, you're going to see two options, and you want to click on card. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and link your credit card. Okay, so as you can see right here, you can link a Visa or MasterCard. Unfortunately, at the time of the recording of this video, it cannot be Discover or Amex. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in my 16-digit credit card number, expiration date, 3-digit security code, the name that appears on the card, and then you want to verify the address down here that it matches what you have on file with your credit card. Okay, once you've entered in your credit card information, you want to click on this blue save button here at the bottom. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my credit card is connected to my Remitly, so I can use this as a payment method. Just note that if you're going to be sending money through Remitly with a credit card, oftentimes your bank is going to treat it like a cash advance. So you're going to end up getting a cash advance fee, and then also you're going to end up charging a higher interest rate on that portion. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your credit card to your Remitly account as a payment method, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.